Chicken Madras Curry. Rather than picking up your phone to order a curry, why not indulge in my quick yet scrumptious Chicken Madras Curry recipe, crafted with spicy curry powder, luscious tomatoes, sweet onions, and creamy coconut milk. It's a delightful treat that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. I hope you've been relishing the videos. Please do leave a comment and subscribe to keep receiving my beloved recipes. Let's begin by peeling 2 large onions and pulverizing them in a food processor, just like this. Next, it's the turn of 2 large tomatoes, which also get their opportunity to be pulverized, just like this too. Now let's marinate 1 whole skinless chicken, cut into 8 pieces, with 3 tablespoons of fragrant curry powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vibrant Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon each of aromatic garlic and ginger paste. Give this a thorough mixing and let it marinate for 15 minutes while we prepare our onions. In a medium heated pan, add in half a cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of rich ghee. Add 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of jeera, 1 small cinnamon stick, and 5 green cardamom pods. Fry this all for 2 minutes until your entire kitchen is filled with a delightful aroma. Next, add in our pulverized onions and cook this for about 10 minutes until mostly translucent. Now we add the star of the show, fragrant curry leaves, to the onions. We don't add them directly to the oil as they will burn and become bitter. This really infuses the onions with the majestic curry flavors. Add the lid to the onions as they will splatter a lot, and carefully lift the lid halfway to move the onions around so they don't burn at the bottom and get a lovely even color. Once our onions have fried well and developed a beautiful golden hue, it's time to add our marinated chicken. Leave no spice behind. Fry our chicken in the infused onions for 5 minutes until the chicken has seared and the spices have come alive. Now add in our pulverized tomatoes, which have been patiently waiting on the side. In goes 1 tablespoon of tomato puree as well. Leave no tomato behind too. Give this all a gentle mix and bring it all together. Look how that marvelous color comes through. No need for any artificial coloring in our dishes. Add in 3 whole green chilies for that fiery heat. If you want extra heat, add them sliced. Bring it to a gentle boil, add the lid, and let it cook for 20 minutes. Once the chicken has mostly cooked, let's add in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk. Look how splendid that looks. Give it another gentle mix. Put the lid back on and cook for 10 more minutes, or until your chicken is fully cooked. There you have it. Our chicken Madras curry is ready. It smells and looks absolutely divine. Let's garnish with fresh coriander. It brings all great curries together. Let's clean that pan while we're at it. No one likes a dirty pan. The curry smells so fragrant. The curry powder and curry leaves are what make this dish Madras. We didn't even need to add a single drop of water to this dish. The onions, tomatoes, and chicken did their magic. Make your next Madras at home and save those pounds spent at the takeaway. It costs much more than a few pounds these days. best served with fluffy rice, warm naan, or even soft roti. Thank you for joining me once more. I hope you have had a chance to visit our website. Happy cooking!